Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bulk delete projects in CapCut PC. So you need to stop the clutter. Here, through this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to clean up your workspace and boost performance. As you guys can see here, I have so many projects in here, project history on my CapCut PC. So if you want to delete one by one, you can just click on this three dots icon under the projects itself and click on delete. But if you want to delete more than one projects, so what you need to do is just select or block the projects like this. Select the projects that you want to delete, and after that here you can just click on delete button, or you can just right click and there will be this delete options. Now you can just click on OK and the projects will be moved to trash. So if you want to delete it permanently, you can go to the trash menu in here, then click on this trash icon to delete all of the projects. So it will be deleted from your CapCut PC permanently. You can also do this with the projects on your space. So go to the space in here and you can just select the space, the projects that you want to delete like this. Right click again and click on delete. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.